They're all pulling up now. The refrigeration units are running. The alarms are going off. It's time to get up because boarding starts, well, last check-in is in just over half an hour, and then boarding starts, and that's Orkney over. My Orkney adventure finito. Hopefully I can start the van. I'll try that while I'm making my coffee. He's a bit noisy, that one. And over there's my ferry. Well, the coffee's brewing. I'm finishing off yesterday's pancakes, so nothing too exciting for me this morning, I'm afraid. Well, the van started fine first time, so that's cool. I've just got a reverse on. It's going to be a laugh. I was the first person here because I got in it last night. Bit of an issue that I was then blocked in, so I've only literally, we're supposed to go right now, 7:45. I've only just been checked in because I have to do it manually, not in the office, by the loadmaster, and now I've got to reverse onto the ferry. That's going to be quite good. Right, there is a tractor on board. So here we go, off the island. There we go, I've reversed onto the ferry. I'm now off at Orkney, so it's just time to say goodbye to the twats. Oh, look at that beautiful little van. Goodbye, Orkney. Took the ferry up to Margaret's Hope. Drove up across the causeways and Churchill barriers, and up through Kirkwall, Ophir, Stromness, Twat, Bursay, Costa, Evie, round Finston. But initially, St Margaret's Hope, up across, and then down to Linus on Hoy, up to Rysa Bay, and all around that island, the island of Long Hope. It's quite a lot of exploring, I reckon. And here we go, back on the mainland. I'm at Gills Bay. Next stop, John O'Groats, because it's just down the road, just for 5 minutes. Then toilet stop, because apparently it's a shithole. Then on to Sea Houses, Harrogate, Weybourne, Lowestoft. 6 days, 700 or so miles. Right, let's have a quick look at John O'Groats, where all the walkers and cyclists and kayakers and people go. So, what have we got? what we got? Okay. What we got? We got a car park, a gift shop, ice cream and confectionery, coffee house and bistro, toilets. There we go. That's what you want. That's what you want. Get everything sorted out, nice and cleaned up. £2 parking. We can't see that I'm going to get £2 worth of anything from here. What else? Oh, gifts and souvenir breakfasts. £3.50 breakfast. Orkney day tours. Clothes bank, bottle bank, overflowing bins. Somewhere to park with your camper van or your car. No overnight parking. Pedestrians look both ways. Gift shop, boat tours. Wildlife cruises. This. Yes. Well, I've been to John O'Groats now. I'd safely say that. So I've just driven the 3.5 miles from Gills Bay Ferry. This is the delightful John O'Groats. Everybody comes up here to leave and go to Cornwall, and I can understand that. I've got that iconic picture postcard signpost above me. Orkney 8 miles. So I'm going to pose. Well, I've got to pose under the Orkney one, haven't I? Well, I can't really, because I can't see it says John O'Groats. So there we go. John O'Groats. Oh, you can see Land's End up there, up the top. Land's End. Which way? Sorry, that's New York. What do I want to know about New York? So there we go. John O'Groats, Land's End. That's 874 miles. Edinburgh, which I've got to go through, is 273 miles. New York, I've got no intention of. Orkney, just been 8 miles. John O'Groats, John O'Groats. John O'Groats has got a nice harbour, and you can see Orkney. And I guess that's a hotel, beach hut. And there's a little old beach, but it's yeah, you wouldn't want to go swimming there. Well, there you go. Ah, nice mural on the wall. I'm glad I did not pay £2. The girl and the seal, and the puffin and the ferry. John O'Groats. Well, John O'Groats is predictably miserable. Not sure, I might even prefer Ness Point, where there's just a sewage works and a wind turbine and a jetty you can fish from. At least it's not tacky, cheesy, cold, grey, misty, damp and depressing. But there's plenty of people here already looking at the tat. Look, I've got 730 miles to go to get home. Well, 728 miles, that's my route back home via everywhere else. Probably work out closer to 1,000. I'm guessing probably about 850, 900, something like that. Anyway, guys and girls, I'll catch you later. Hey, look how trendy! How trendy we are! We've got a Volkswagen. Hey, look how trendy! A Volkswagen camper, just like everybody else. Volkswagen, Volkswagen. He's going slow. He's been holding me up. The van in front of you is a Toyota. And so's the van in front of you. Well, I was feeling a bit peckish and a bit from not having had any breakfast yet, so I thought I'd stop and make myself something to eat. So, big thick tomato in a roll, you know, thick slices, 2 of, with Grimbister Farmhouse cheese from Orkney and Orkney butter, and I just stopped at this beautiful place. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at these pests, look at them. Cycling from John O'Groats down to Land's End, holding everybody up all along the way. Already overtook them once, stopped for a roll, and then out again. How annoying. Goddamn cyclist. Get a car. Well, I'm sorry for ignoring all of you this morning, everybody, but I've been driving all day. Basically, since I left John O'Groats, I've stopped for a sandwich, as you saw, or roll. Stopped for a pee. It's now 2:30, and I'm coming up to Pitlochry. So I've done a lot of miles this morning. I've done about 200 miles, and I've actually taken the van over the 3,000 mark and forgot to tell you. So 3,000 on this trip. Anyway, we're coming up to Pitlochry, so you can enjoy a bit of scenery here. And I might even stop and I don't know. Not really much point in me stopping. I might stop, I might not, we'll see. But it's quite lovely around here. It really is quite lovely. Right, I'm just having a quick ride through Pitlochry. I don't know if it's particularly famous or renowned or anything. That's a cool little car. Weird shape. Nice, like it. Looks quite attractive. I knew somebody who used to live and work here for a while. Pierre-Yves, a Frenchman who had the best Scottish accent I've ever known. It sounded proper Scots. Looks like it was once a quite pretty place before they turned it into some, God, sort of tourist mecca, if you could call it a mecca. Oh, it's like, oh God, I've taken something gorgeous and ruined it. It's, oh man, it's just, I'm going, fuck this. I've turned out, I'm heading out. This is just awful. Oh, you've got beautiful buildings here. The surroundings are absolutely stunning. What is this place? It's like if Slytherin had got hold of Hogwarts, you know, taken complete control and turned it into a hotel and conference centre. Or no, worse, maybe like a theme park, you know, with Teletubbies in. My God, well, they've ruined this, definitely ruined this. I don't know what it was like before, but it looks like it was really nice. Dear. Then I'll carry on to Edinburgh. There's even an inflatable Father Christmas. The south. Right, I'm going to the Perth and the south. Edinburgh is the south, apparently. I look up here, look at the surroundings and the trees. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I'm now crawling along in traffic somewhere on the A9, not sure exactly where, because I'm heading for Tesco, and that's 12 miles and 37 minutes away apparently, according to Google. Anyway, I've just seen another Toyota Hiace camper, same era, Mark II as mine, go past the opposite direction, a white one, M191YTS, a 1995, so 6 or 7 years newer. Yeah, quite pleased. You don't see the Hiaces, so yeah, I hope they're going off to have a lovely time, like I have. I can't believe this. So I stopped for fuel at Perth. I've been waiting ages getting down into Perth. Now the traffic that was all blocked up It's blocked up again moving into Perth. It's horrendous. It's telling me another 10 minutes it's on a dual carriageway. It's been ridiculous. There's cones out with nobody working on them. There's horrendously rubbish traffic light systems. It's awful. Don't ever come to Perth, any of you. It's pathetic. Unbelievably poor. Don't even come near Perth, just bypass Perth. Wipe it off your map. Delete it from your GPS. Whether it's lovely in the town or not is irrelevant. This is just ridiculously bad. More of the same. I'm approaching Edinburgh. This is the Queen's Ferry Bridge. I don't know if there's a toll for it to pay. I have no idea. I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. Ha 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 ha. Right, I've had enough of all this now, so I'm going down the Forth Valley tourist route to try and find somewhere to stop for the night. Stop, eat, make the video, write my diary, sleep. Hopefully I'll find somewhere pretty with good internet connection, good phone signal, quiet, peaceful and preferably quite pretty for my last night in Scotland. Got a midget bite there. Wow! There we have it, 300 miles or so today. I'm not far from Edinburgh. I thought, right, I've got to find somewhere, and then I saw this sign, Abercorn Road. So I'm parked up at a place called Abercorn. Now, for those of you who've been watching my model railway videos, you'll know that Abercorn has a meaning for me. That's right. That's right. My desired and asked for and requested LMS 462 Coronation class, the Duchess of Abercorn, has some sort of relationship with this place. Not much, but there you go. Anyway, so I've just pulled up. I'm thirsty as anything. I'm going to have myself, memory of the last few days, an Orkney Gold New World Pale Ale. So let's start pouring that. Don't want too much head, do we? So what do you reckon, guys and girls? Cheers. It's nice. Just a simple one tonight, hot dogs. I've got no fried onions. These are those spicy American hot dog banger things. I've got me finger rolls with the ketchup. 2 leftover rolls, 2 leftover sausages. Had to be done. Clear it out of the fridge. Look, seriously, life don't get much better than that. A nice beer, some nice hot dogs, freshly cooked on a nice plate. And plates, that's another thing. I don't get it. People go camping, they take that melamine rubbish. Melamine cups, plastic glasses, melamine plates, plastic forks. Why? Take decent cutlery, take decent plates, decent glasses. Your food is always so much better. So what if you break them? Go to a charity shop, go to car boot, pay peanuts for it. Use the old stuff sitting at home, the ones where you've lost some because you've broken half the set. Just, so much better. Oh man, going down and treat. Second one's nearly finished. I'm going to have to eat something else. These are fantastic.